A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on the street. C is for cat, so soft and cute. D is for doll in a pretty suit. Yo. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish swimming all day long. G is for grapes, purple and small. H is for hat, the best of all. I is for igloo, made of ice. J is for jam, so sweet and nice. K is for kite, flying up so high. L is for lamb, jumping by. M is for monkey, climbing a tree. N is for nest, where birds love to be. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for pen, it writes things down. Q is for queen, with a golden crown. R is for ring, round and brown. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tree, oh what a sight. U is for umbrella, when it rains. V is for van, driving down the lanes. W is for watch, ticking so fast. X is for x-ray, see through it last. Y is for yo-yo, going up and down. Z is for zebra, striped all around. Now we've learned our ABC. Sing along!